Scott Crothers and Stifel Nicholas. Good morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, you were right yesterday when you said it was in for a good day, and boy, it took off like a rocket ship and never ended. What happened?
It really did. Yesterday, the Dow jumped 322 points and closed at 26,114. The first close above 26,000. Good earnings and a strong manufacturing report had investors buying. Late in the day, Apple had a big announcement, and it helped the market go even higher. Consumer and technology stocks were the best performers of the day, and the yield on 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.578%.
All right. With all of that being said, Apple made some big news yesterday.
Right. Apple said they would pay $38 billion in taxes as they repatriate their $252 billion in cash overseas. They will invest $30 billion in the U.S. building data centers and customer service operations. They will add 20,000 U.S. employees and will increase the funding for advanced manufacturing in the U.S. from $1 billion to $5 billion. Their CEO said, "We have a deep sense of responsibility to give back to our country and the people who make our success possible."
It also helps out that they got some great tax benefits from this new tax code that just passed.
Huge tax benefits, but we're getting the benefit of them bringing all that cash back here. So.
No, I get it. But, I mean, they're only doing that because not just by their own good nature, but because of the tax implications because of this new tax bill that passed. I don't think anybody can argue that that's not the reason why. But this isn't a political segment. Sorry.
I'll bring everybody down, McGraw.
I'll shut up. I know that's not bad. That's not good or bad. I'm saying though that one of the offshoots of that tax bill was that Apple is now able to do this, and they were holding off until they got better tax rates.
You got it.
Yeah. Manufacturing in the U.S. What are we hearing?
Right. U.S. manufacturing output rose for a fourth straight month, making the best quarter for manufacturing output since 2010. Factory output rose 1.3% in 2017, the biggest increase in 5 years. Manufacturing accounts for 12% of our economy, and it looks like it is growing and will continue to grow for the foreseeable future.
All right. And then how about Commerce Bank?
Yeah, Kansas City-based Commerce Bank reported record earnings this morning. In the fourth quarter, they made a profit of $94.4 million, or 86 cents per share, much better than the 65 cents they earned in the year-ago quarter. The record numbers were driven by increases in loans and investments, as well as solid expense control and low credit losses. Commerce Bank was founded way back in 1865 and has almost 5,000 employees.
Good news on Commerce Bank. All right, excellent. Scott Crothers, today, after that $300 push or a 300-point push yesterday, and the Dow finishing over 26,000, what do we know today?
Well, it looks like we're going to hold on to the end of the game. The Dow looks up 40 points right now. We get a look at the first-time jobless claims and the Philly Fed report. We also have more earnings, but it looks like another good day for investors.
Scott Crothers, have yourself a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.